What is the best time to pin? Oh, well, I'm glad you asked, because there's actually an answer. Unlike pretty much every other platform, there is a concrete answer of exactly when you should pin. Go ahead, tag your friends, share the news. Help me help more solopreneurs get the traffic without the peopling. All right, so you're pinning regularly and you're just not seeing the repins or traffic come your way. You're looking at your pins and it's like they've been locked in a vault for no one to touch or see. Well, listen up, because it's probably when you're pinning. Now, if you're just getting started, right here, this fact, it's gonna save you hundreds of hours of wasted pinning. So have you heard of first 5 before? No? All right, let me break it down for you. So Pinterest prioritizes the first 5 pins you post every day for distribution. What does that mean? It means that the first 5 pins you post every day are gonna get more play. We're gonna get more action. It means that the first 5 pins you post every day are gonna get the highest organic distribution possible right out of the gate. So here's the method behind the madness. So what Pinterest does is they take the first 5 pins you post every day and they push them to a percentage of your followers to the top of their smart feeds. What they're looking for is interest, right? So if these particular pins are clicked on, even just to see close up, if they're repinned, if there's comments left for them, this tells Pinterest that your audience is in fact interested in this content, that the content probably more than likely is totally worthy. And what they're gonna do then is push it out to more of your followers' smart feeds and push it into search results. So think about it like this. You basically have 5 shots a day to get your followers' attention. Are you maybe possibly squandering that on bullshit that's not hitting the spot for them? Well, now you know. That is what is important, those first 5 pins of the day. So when does the day start as far as Pinterest is concerned? Midnight UTC. Now, when I first heard that time zone, I was like, is that on Mars or possibly Pluto? Because my sheltered ass had never heard of it. So don't panic if you're like, when is that? Just do a Google search for midnight UTC to your time zone. For me, I'm out here in California, Pacific Standard Time, so that is 4 p.m. for me. So what do you need to do going forward? Number 1, make sure that the first 5 pins you pin every day after midnight UTC, whenever the hell that is for you, are the most important pins you're going to pin that day. Number 2, these pins should be fully optimized. And this is something I'm going to cover in great detail because it's a major piece of the puzzle in the Pinterest Traffic Engine Group Execution Program. So if you want more information on that, get your ass over to bit.ly/PTE 2019, drop your name, and I'll send you all the details. Number 3, these pins should point to your content. You don't want to squander this reach on other people's content. So make sure that these pins point to your website, your blog, your social content. Number 4, these 5 pins should be pinned to your personal boards, not group boards. All right. And the personal boards that you pin them to, they need to be relevant to the pin. So Pinterest has said that the first board and next couple, but if the first board primarily has a lot to do with the relevancy ranking that a pin carries with it. Meaning if you pin things to irrelevant boards, let's say a logo design pin to a Pinterest related board, it's going to tank the relevancy because Pinterest is going to assume that because you pinned it first and foremost to a Pinterest related board, something with a Pinterest keyword, it's going to assume that your pin, even though you say it has to do with logo design, has something to do with this Pinterest keyword. So when it shows it in Pinterest related searches and it doesn't get any action or play, that tells Pinterest that the pin isn't relevant. And therefore don't show it and it dies a slow, quiet death in that secret vault. That's why it feels like it's been locked away. It kind of has been. Now you can recover from this. And once you know how, which is a beautiful thing, you're going to be able to breathe new life into pins that you probably unknowingly murdered. And I'm going to be showing the folks in the group execution program all those dirty little secrets. So, like I said, if you're not on the VIP wait list, go get on it or you're going to miss out. I only have 25 spots to give. So bit.ly/2019, drop your name because Monday morning I'm sending out the information. I am opening up these 25 spots, but only to those people. They are getting first dibs. So go have a weekend to remember and then get your ass back here. Stay glued to your inbox because Pinterest Traffic Engine Group Execution Program is coming. Yes.